Who is your real-life superhero? Growing up, everybody knew me as the poorest kid at my high school. I guess it showed, but none of them knew how true that actually was, except me. My parents were never blessed financially. They could never afford to pay for my sports or clothes like the other kids. I used to skip lunch a lot and starve if I didn't find any loose change around the house that day. If I did, I would always buy a Pop-Tart from the vending machine. Highest food to cost ratio. Sometimes my teachers would even offer to buy me lunch, and I hated that. I knew deep down my parents would spoil me if they could. If they had the money, they'd buy me all the food and clothes I could ever want, but they just couldn't. One day I heard my mom talking about selling her phone because she couldn't pay the bill anymore. So when I got my first paycheck, I snuck a $20 bill in my mom and dad's empty wallets. I knew they needed it. The next day at school, she called me on my break and asked if I wanted to go to lunch with her. I obviously went. I got in her car and my mom says, "Lunch is on me." She pulled out the same $20 bill. To this day, she still has no idea I put that money in there or how much that touched my heart. When she found the money, the first person she thought of was me.